Okay, let's take a derivative. In this case, we're going to have to use the chain rule because we have an inner function that's all being raised to the 20th power. I know as you get started on these, it's a little bit tough to pick out exactly which rule to use. But remember, because that 20, that exponent is attached to the entire set of parentheses, we're going to have a function inside of another function. That's telling us to use the chain rule. So the first part we want to deal with is the outer function. Basically thinking all of this raised to the 20th power. Let's take the derivative of that initially, just like you would, say, x to the 20th power, using the power rule. So the exponent comes down, and you reduce the exponent by 1. So 20 minus 1 makes 19 for our new exponent. But now we want to keep the inner function initially the exact same. So 3x to the 5th minus 10x cubed. We're going to keep that as is, and then we're going to multiply this afterwards by the derivative of the inner function. So that inner function again was the 3x to the 5th minus 10x cubed. Its derivative, we're just going to use the power rule a couple times. We're going to bring the 5 down, multiply by the 3, so make 15 out in front. Reduce the exponent by 1, so 5 minus 1 makes 4. Minus, again the power rule, 3 comes down, multiply by the 10, we get 30. Reduce the exponent by 1, it's going to be squared, and that's our derivative. No need to expand this out, just get used to that chain rule. We'll get better and better at these.